We're going to solve 2 times the absolute value of 4x minus 3 plus 2 being greater than 14. First thing that we need to do is isolate our absolute value symbols. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. When we do that, we're going to get 2 times the absolute value of 4x minus 3 is greater than 12. Next, we're going to go and divide both sides of the equation by 2 of the inequality. Now we have the absolute value of 4x minus 3 is greater than 6. What this means, I always like to draw it out this way because I really think it makes more sense. The distance away, that's what absolute value means, is the distance away from 4x minus 3 is greater than 6 units. So I'm going to show you what this means on a number line. The distance away from 4x minus 3 is going to be greater than 6 units, which means that it's going to end up over here and over here. So we can set up 2 different inequalities based on what we just found out. Our first inequality is going to be 4x minus 3 is less than negative 6. Our second inequality is going to be 4x minus 3 is greater than positive 6. Now, you guys might be wondering why we have to have 2 inequalities here. Remember that when we do absolute value, the distance can go either way. So we can travel this way 6 units and this way 6 units. One is in the negative direction and one is in the positive direction, but it is still 6 units. So we have to account for both the negative and the positive version. Now we're going to solve these inequalities separately. So we can add 3 to both sides on both inequalities, and that's going to result in 4x is less than negative 3. Down here, it's going to result in 4x is greater than 9. Now we can divide the top inequality by 4 and the bottom inequality by 4. So now we end up with x is less than negative 3/4, or x is greater than 9/4. And these are our 2 solutions.